Welcome to Metal Casting Lecture Series by Professor Joyjeet Ghose. This is the 9th lecture of a series of lectures. This lecture will be on green sand mold making. He will be explaining green sand mold making with examples. So, do not miss and watch the full video. For the next video in the lecture series, please click the suggested video link above. You may also click on the playlist at end of the video to access all the videos. Please subscribe this channel and yes, do not forget to like and share. Also click on the bell icon to receive instant information of new videos uploaded. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to this lecture 9 of a series of lecture on metal casting. In this lecture, we'll be discussing how a green sand mold is prepared. So we have studied till now or discussed till now what is a pattern, what is molding sand, what is a core sand. So my pattern is ready, molding sand is ready, and the core is also ready. So let us prepare a mold. And why I'm calling it green sand mold, because we'll be using it manually, and we'll be using natural sand. So the first step is to place the molding board. Once you place the molding board, you place the pattern. This is the core print. This is the core print. So you place the pattern on the molding board. Then we apply certain amount of parting sand on the pattern. So parting sand, as I've discussed earlier, parting sand is used so that the pattern does not stick to the molding sand. So after parting sand is placed here, we fill the portion near to it with facing sand. After facing sand is filled, then it is backed up with backing sand. So once it is backed up with backing sand, another board will be placed here and this will be rotated. The entire thing will be rotated. So the pattern is still here, and to the same pattern we fit the drag half of the pattern here, and then we place the cope half of the flask. We place the riser's rod and the sprue rod, and then we pack it up with molding sand. We pack it up with molding sand. Then we create some vents. Then we rotate this. Upper part is rotated, and both the pattern half of the pattern is removed. Okay. So after both pattern is removed, so the cope half is assembled on, and before that the runner is made and the pouring basin is also made, and both are assembled. The core is placed in right position and pouring is done. This is how we carry out the green sand molding process. So let me start again with an example here. So you can see this is the pattern, this is the runner, this is the runner here. So here the runner is placed, and we use the parting sand, then the facing sand, okay, then scrap the excess sand. So then rotate it, flipped it. After flipping, we place the drag cope half of the pattern on top of it. This is the cope half, this is the riser and sprue rod, sorry, this is the sprue rod, this is the riser rod, and we pack it up. Then we make vent holes. Okay, then we reverse flip it again and take out the cope half and the drag half. Then we fit the core. So core is fitted here, and then we assemble it. Then we apply weight we apply so that under the pressure the top does not lift. So you can see this is the pouring basin is made here, and we pour it, and this is the finished casting. So this is another example. This is a popular example. So we place it here, the pattern, and then we use the parting sand, then the facing sand, then back it up. So this is the casting. Okay. So this is how we prepare green sand molding. Thank you for patiently hearing this and viewing this video.